Hi everyone, welcome back to Canadian Taxes with Palak. My name is Palak. I hope you guys are doing good. In the first video, I explained you guys where you can check your tax return, your notice of assessment, and all the payments that you will be receiving in the future, and how to update your information if you want to do that into your CRA account. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can check your RRSP, TFSA and FHSA's deduction limits and contribution rooms for that year. I will also explain you where you can check your mails from CRA, and if you want to submit any documents with CRA, how to do that. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have my CRA account here. So if you want to take a look at your RRSP, FHSA's, TFSA's deduction limit and contribution room for a particular year, what you have to do is you just have to go to savings and pension plan on the left part of your CRA My Account. If you go there, here is where they will be giving you your deduction limit. So if you look at this one, I have my 2025 deduction limit as 10,628. But if you want to understand how they calculate it and then what your contribution room will be so that you don't over contribute, and how like RRSP, FHSA, TFSA works, watch out for the future videos that I will be creating. I will be showing you guys how all this is done. So back to this video. If you want to understand the calculation, just go here, calculation of 2025 RRSP deduction limit. They will explain everything here, but for now we're not going to go much in detail into this. The only thing is you can get your contribution room and deduction limit from here. You can also get your contribution room and deduction limit from your notice of assessment. You can also look at your FHSA room, which is available, and then your TFSA as well. TFSA doesn't really affect your tax situation, so we don't really look into that, but I will be explaining TFSA as well. Now, once that is done, once you know your deduction limit, your contribution room, you're good to go. Most of the things that you can do in your CRA My account is done. The only thing is the mail section. If you want to know what mails you have got, there are a lot of times that you will be just receiving an email from CRA saying that you have received a mail, an important mail. You just have to open your My CRA account and then go to the mail section. Here you will be receiving all the notices. If you have any important letter that you will be receiving from CRA, you'll just be receiving here. I've seen a lot of clients missing out on deadlines, important deadlines, just because they didn't really go and check their CRA account. And then you can also submit your documents. If in case CRA demands any documents from you guys, you just have to go to submit documents and then start submitting documents. Here you just have to give your reference number from CRA, and then you just attach the documents and submit it. Just understand one thing, CRA directly gets your tax slips from your employer, from your bank. So even if you didn't really get your tax slip from a particular employer, from a particular bank, you don't really have to worry about it. Everything will be there in your My CRA. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to go to the right section, tax information slips. You just have to click there, and then it will show you all the tax years and the information slips that you have already received. Here you will be able to get all the tax slips for all the previous years. So for example, for 2021, if I want to understand where I've worked, or if I do have any T4 slip or any T5 slip which I didn't really receive from my bank or my employer, I can just directly go to my CRA and then get it from there. Yeah, so for 2021 I don't really have any slips. For 2022, let's say for 2022 I have T4, I have T2202. These are three slips that I have. The first one is Humber College, the second one is the T4 that I've received, and the third one is again a T4. Okay, so and if you want to know the T4 slip, you just have to go there, go to the tax slip, and then you can take a look at all the box numbers. The main box number is basically box 14, employment income. Here it was 8537.28 for me. If you want to download this slip, you just have to go to print and save, Microsoft Print to PDF, and then save it as a document. This can also be used as a T4 slip. Not exactly T4 slip, but like you can use it. This is also a way of explaining, like showing your income. Okay, if you don't really have a tax slip directly from your employer, you can also provide this slip to your accountant. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, please let me know. I will be happy to answer them. Next week I will be doing a Q&A, so if you guys have any questions, I can answer it. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.